Welcome to another Marketing Minute with Roger Lloyd for the CCW Carpet Cleaning World Revolution. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, you have to understand if you want to beat out your competition, you have to give your clients reasons, 3 reasons to be exact, why they don't need to go anywhere else. So, in this marketing moment here that you're sharing with me, I'm going to take you inside my House Call Pro CRM. And what I did was I made up a dummy estimate so you can see how I give my clients 3 reasons to choose me, me, and me. So, without further delay, let's bring this up here and let's take me down here like that. Oh, the other way. There we go. And now let's take a look at this. We're in my CRM. All right. I made up this address. That's my phone number and all my information. And then it says estimate. But if you look right here, it says option 1. And then underneath it says services. So let's do this. Let's bring this down and let's see if they choose my option 1. So my option 1 says, don't lift a finger, we will vacuum for you. Oh, I'm sorry. Carpet cleaning packages. This is my Spring Fresh Quick Clean package. And number 1, don't lift a finger, we vacuum for you. Number 2, you move your own furniture or we can work around it. Number 3, professional pre-spotting with our professional spotting kit. Number 4, professional pre-spray application to remove ground in soils. Number 5, truck mounted steam extraction for the deepest clean. Number 6, clear water rinse application. Number 7, carpet grooming. Number 8, surgical booties provided to walk on your carpet until completely dry. And what's this a number 9, 200 square feet of one room is considered one room. I'm sorry. Your cost for this package is only $50 per room with a $150 minimum. Now, that's our option 1 in case they're just moving in or they moved out and they don't have any furniture or anything like that. Now, let's move to option 2. Oh, and I'm sorry. We have it at 4 rooms quantity and it's $50 per room. So the amount is $200. With the tax is $212. Now let's go to option 2. And option 2 says, don't lift a finger, we vacuum for you. Don't lift a finger, we move the furniture. Up to 8 items per room. Number 3, professional pre-spotting with our professional spotting kit. Number 4, professional pre-spray application to remove all ground and soil. Number 5, truck mounted rotary steam extraction. That's right, I bring out my Rotovac in this one. Number 6, a scented deodorizer is applied, fresh linen or lemon. Number 7, clear water rinse application. Number 8, carpet grooming. Number 9, high-speed air movers for faster dry times. Number 10, surgical booties provided to walk on the carpet until it dries. And then, of course, number 11, 200 square feet is considered one room. Your cost for this package is $75 per room with a $150 minimum. Now, remember, they're getting 4 rooms done, so the total is $300, and then Uncle Sam's tax is $18. So this package, if they chose my middle package, is $318. Now, my final package, the BioClean kid-friendly cleaner package. Don't lift a finger, we vacuum for you. Don't lift a finger, we move the furniture up to 8 pieces per room. Number 4, professional pre-spray. Number 3, professional spotting. Number 4, professional pre-spray. Number 5, truck-mounted rotary steam extraction for the deepest clean. Once again, I bring in the Rotovac. Number 6, BioClean kid-friendly cleaner is applied. Now, this is an all-base, so it's an oxygen booster to brighten up the carpets. Number 7, a scented deodorizer is applied, fresh linen or lemon. Number 8, a clear water rinse application. Number 9, carpet grooming. Number 10, high-speed air movers for faster dry times. Number 11, surgical booties. Number 12, one free emergency spot visit, good for 1 year from the time you had it cleaned, should you have a spot or accident. Of course, 200 square feet is considered one room. This cost for this package is $99 per room. And should they choose this package, the 4 rooms for $99 is $396. And let's see, with the tax and everything, it comes out to $419.76. So for 4 rooms, we're getting $419.76. Ladies and gentlemen, you can't beat this with a bat. Listen, you can keep doing things the way the institutional and the way the guys tell you how to do it, or you can wake up and you can let your customer pick their own financial destiny. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, you can never say that you weren't told this. You can never say you didn't receive this information for free. And then you got guys telling you you shouldn't pay for marketing. Are you kidding me right now? Were you making this kind of money? Did you have this kind of setup to provide to your customer before you watch this? Ladies and gentlemen, you got to start listening to things that make sense for you. Why do we go to school? Why do we pay for college? To get a higher education. That's why we would pay for marketing for our carpet cleaning business. I'm sharing all these tidbits, and I'm not even showing you the iceberg breaker. But if you want to make money in this business, if you want to perceive different and be professional, if you want to give your clients 3 reasons to choose you, and you, I urge you, call me today. Call my office, 484-420-7220. Let's get you off the marketing roller coaster and take away all your competition. You will set the standard by which all carpet cleaners are judged in your area if you decide to go down this path. And if you don't, that's fine. Carry on. But thank you for giving me your ear. Enjoy the rest of your evening.